We initially worked with Entergy to review the design plans to make sure that the proper transformers, the conduits, everything that would be needed to run to the charging stations would be implemented. They also played a great role in the construction phase as we were constructing the facilities to charge the vehicles. So overall, Entergy played a great role. The project could not have happened without Entergy stepping up and working with us as a partner to make it happen.
We think that using these electric buses will add to the environmental friendliness of our city as well. Our patrons who normally access the service have responded pretty well.
The relationship that the City of Port Arthur and Entergy has been a real good relationship. We work with them on a number of different projects. We had a number of conversations with the City of Port Arthur's contractors as well as our engineering team to make sure that we met their specifications and they met our specifications. Upon doing that, we came up with a game plan.
Working with Port Arthur Transit System, Entergy was able to provide the power needed to fulfill the operations for the electric buses. We also provide financial incentives to help offset the costs for the buses. We also helped Port Arthur Transit understand all the impacts associated with running those buses in the city of Port Arthur. Entergy is working to develop more solutions to help customers solve frictions in their fleet operations through electrification. Port Arthur Transit presents a great case study for others to learn from, and Entergy is ready to help.